Let me show you something. Watch this. See? This is what not to do. Ow! Okay, I made a point.
Almost, sweetie. I just mopped the floor, so be careful walking through the kitchen.
Mom said the floor is wet. You're gonna slip. I'm fine, I'm fine. My knee!
Lily!
What happened? Did someone fall? Is there a... Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Dad, you slipped too.
I'm fine. I'm just testing the floor for scientific purposes. It's definitely slippery.
Noah, get off the floor. Lily, let me see your knee.
It hurts so much, Mom. I was just walking.
I know, sweetie. Let me get some ice and a bandage. Ben, can you bring me the first aid kit?
On it!
Okay, everyone calm down. Lily, you're gonna be okay. But this is exactly why we have the no running on wet floors rule.
I wasn't running. I was just walking fast.
Walking fast on a wet floor is like trying to dance on a banana peel. It's a bad idea. You have to wait for the floor to dry, or wear slippers.
Exactly. The floors are the most slippery right after I mop, until it's dry.
I always wear my slippers. I'm the smart one.
Ben, you wore your slippers to bed last night. That's not smart.
She's got a point, buddy. But seriously, slippers on wet floors are a must. They have grip on the bottom.
And if you ever see water on the floor, walk slowly, take small steps, and don't run.
I learned my lesson. My knee hurts so much.
Let me show you something. Watch this. See? This is what not to do. Ow! Okay, I made a point.
Noah, you're ridiculous.
Ridiculously good looking.
Dad, you're not good looking. You're silly.
Silly and proud. But Lily, the real lesson is, listen, she's trying to keep your knees intact.
I know, Dad. I'm sorry, Mom. I should have listened. It's okay, honey. Accidents happen. But now you know. Let's get you to the couch.
And I'll grab the mop and no more slip and slide for me.
Sure, Mom. And I'll put on my slippers first.
Good. Now let's get you comfortable. Noah, stop joking and start mopping.
Yes, dear. Mopping is my new favorite sport. Okay, I'm going. But I'm keeping the rubber duck for emotional support.